Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title, today I'm doing an at-home facial. It's a very long story how this came about, but long story short, my friend told me that she had this little gadget here and it's from Amazon and it was really good for her skin, and it's a face scrubber extractor. We'll get more into it when I actually start using it, but I went on Amazon and I saw that it was only $24, like $24 and some change. So I was like, wait a minute, like I have a first-hand person I actually know review, and then I looked at the reviews on Amazon and they were good too. So I was like, wait a minute, let me go ahead and test this out. And then I thought, why not do a whole like facial type of thing? So that's what we're going to do. That's why I have this machine here. This is a steamer. I've had this for 3 years. I don't even think you can buy this anymore from Sephora. I think there's like a upgraded version of it, so I'll leave that in the description down below. If you do want to keep this affordable, since this is affordable, I'm sure you can get steamers on Amazon or stuff like that. But it's already got the water in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair up because I just got these braids. We're trying to preserve them. And then I'm gonna turn this on and steam my face before we get into this. Okay, we are pretty good to go. I've turned it on so it's warming up. You guys will just start seeing steam coming out. There's a max line on how much water you should put in there, and I think this takes around like 30 minutes or something like that. I don't remember, but you guys will just see it happening as it goes. I did actually read the directions for this thing because I usually wouldn't, but I thought it's my face, so maybe not play around with that. So I did read the directions, and the directions said that you wanna you can use it on like a dry face, but for it to work better and for it to really penetrate when you're doing the extractions and stuff like that, you want your face to have some type of moisture to it. So that's why I'm going to steam first, and then I'm just going to, patiently wait for it to start coming out. So it's only been about 10 minutes. I moved it a little out of my face so that it's not so distracting while I sit here and talk to you and there's steam blowing in my face. It might still be distracting, but this is the star of the show. This is the GUGUG Skin Scrubber, Skin Spatula, Blackhead Remover, Pore Cleaner with 4 modes, Facial Scrubber, Spatula. Okay. So this retails for $24.99, so basically $25. And like I said, it has 4 modes, and basically the first one is cleaning. So you would use it when you're cleaning your face. I had already started the video with, my face wash, so we're just gonna skip that level. Then the next one is lifting. There is Ion Plus and Ion Negative. I'm gonna give this a few more minutes, and then we're going to jump into Ion Plus, which is the one that's going to extract. It's going to remove blackheads and stuff like that. So I feel like it's not done, but I'm kind of done because I want to get into this. So I'll be right back. Okay, I patted my face down a little bit because I don't think your face is supposed to be like wet. I think it's just supposed to, not be dry. I'm nervous. I'm nervous because it's like, what if this doesn't work? And then I'm also nervous, like, okay, if it does work, I'm nervous what might come out of it. So I think you push it for like 3 seconds, and then you push until you get to the level that you want. I'll have a close-up of this. So that's cleaning. Now it's on lifting. And now it's on Ion Plus, and you want to use it, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's got a curve up this way. So for all of them except cleaning, you want to use it with this way up. On cleaning, you would use it on that way down. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's working. Ew, gross. Can you see that? Focus on, okay, let me get this to focus on this. Can you guys see it? Ooh, let me lift this up. totally not gross at all. I'm just going to remove some of that and keep going. Okay. Ew. Ew. That is gross. Oh, not me leaving some on my face. Ew. Okay, let's focus on this. Do you see that? That is gross, but I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna do my nose, I think like my T-zone area, because I usually have like white heads down here, kind of in this area, but I think I'm just gonna focus on my T-zone specifically. So that is it. It was mostly my nose that I used it on. You know, I did use it in my T-zone, and some stuff came out, especially on this side, but for the most part, it was my nose. And that is everything. Again, let me try to get it to focus on the cotton pad. That is everything that came out of my face. Gross, but interesting to see, at least for me. Some people might actually be like really grossed out right now. If you're wondering like how it feels, it's not uncomfortable like at all. You are pushing down on your skin a little bit, but nothing that would be like too much to bear. And it also is like a little warm, tingly, but yeah, nothing that I wouldn't use this again, because best believe I'm going to use it again. So I'm going to do a quick little sheet mask. I bought these, if you guys saw the skincare video I did, I bought these in bulk from Pixi. It's their Plump Collagen Boost. It's pretty much the only sheet mask that I use. You guys already know I put my sheet mask up over my eyebrows because they are microbladed. I'm just gonna let this sit for 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to move on to Ion Negative. Okay, so for Ion Negative, that's going to push everything that you just put on your face like deeper into your skin. So I used an essence and then the sheet mask, so okay. And yeah, because it has to be used like this. So okay, and then for lifting, I'm going to use this Milani Green Goddess Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil. Their glow oil, I could have just said that. Their glow oil. Remember, for each level or for each setting, you want your face to have some type of moisture. So I'm going to put this on, and then the lifting is supposed to, you know, give you that lift firming thing. So like this is when you want to use those type of, you know, like glow oils, moisturizers, or firming, tightening, all that stuff. Oh, also the lifting setting is supposed to help with like wrinkles, fine lines, stuff like that. So let me go ahead and get a scoop of this. Okay, let's get like a before of what my face looks like before the lifting setting. And now, and I'm pretty sure it's the same thing, like you go from the inside out. I wonder if it's this way or this way, because I don't know if you guys can hear, but listen to how it sounds for the other levels. This is cleaning. You hear how it's just like buzzing? Can you hear how for lifting it's like a buzz, 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 buzz thing? So for that, are you supposed to do it? Oh, you feel it more if you hold, you do feel it more if you hold it this way. Let me try my full face this way. Okay, so this would be the after the lifting setting. And I'm gonna put it up against the before. And just like that, you gave yourself a nice little affordable at-home facial. Actually, I think everything but the steamer was affordable. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Listen, I am digging how my skin looks right now and how it feels. You know when your nose is stuffy and then it's not stuffy anymore and you're finally like, I can breathe again? That's how this area in my nose feels, and it's just like the skin. It's not even like, you know, I'm talking about a stuffy nose. Like my skin feels less congested. I don't know if that's possible, but that's how it feels right now. I'm here for it. And this is only $25. It was cool to watch. It was cool to see it coming out. It was cool to know that like it actually did something, it actually worked. I think for $25, even if you only use that setting, it'd be worth it. But I do feel like, you know, the ion negative one helped push it into my skin a little bit more. Not so sure about the lifting one. I'll let you guys know. Also, let me know if you guys feel like you saw a before, a difference between the before and after once I posted them up. And I haven't tried the cleaning set, which I probably won't use this for. I don't feel like I need to use it for that. So I probably only use it for those other 2 to 3 settings. But yeah, that is it. If you guys didn't know about these things, you know, hopefully I piqued your interest. If you have tried these before, let me know if you have this one or a different one, if it worked, if it didn't. All of that in the comments down below. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bells, all of that in the description down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, I forgot to mention, I don't believe you're supposed to use this if you have any type of like open or active breakouts on your face, which makes sense. I don't know if I said it, but I just wanted to make sure that I did if I forgot.